everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before getting into the video, if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notified. Today we are baking chocolate chip cookies, and that too without using oven, sugar, maida, butter and eggs. Yes, you heard it right. So keep calm and let's get started. To start with, I'm starting by melting jaggery and dissolving it in water. As we are not using sugar, we are replacing it with jaggery. I have made some cubes of jaggery and added it to the pan and adding some water into it so that the jaggery dissolves in water completely. We need to keep stirring it and checking it until the jaggery completely melts into the water. While this is happening, let's check our dry components here. I'm taking 1 cup of wheat flour, whole wheat atta, and adding solidified ghee in it. Please make sure that you use the solid form of ghee, as we have to crumble the ghee and atta together to get a crumble texture. Rub the wheat flour and ghee with your fingers so that the heat from your fingers will melt the ghee in the atta. In the interim, please check the jaggery mixture as well. Keep stirring it whenever you feel it's required. After crumbling, you need to get a texture which is similar to sand. It has been 7 minutes that we are dissolving jaggery in water. We are cooking this in low flame. Now into the dry components, we are adding pinch of baking soda, which is completely optional. You can skip this step as well. After 12 minutes, we have switched off the stove as we have acquired the right consistency of jaggery. Now we will start pouring the jaggery mixture little by little until we get the right texture of the cookie. Adding some more jaggery water to get the right consistency. Now our cookie dough is perfectly done, and look at that, it's forming balls when you try to make a ball with it. That is when you need to stop. Into this we are adding the chocolate chips. You can add the Dairy Milk chocolates as well. As we are not using oven here, we will make a traditional oven here. I've taken a tawa and on that I'm placing a rice cooker or an aluminium pan which is thick. This way we will not give direct heat to the cookies. We will preheat this pan for about 10 minutes by applying ghee. After preheating, we have placed the cookies which we have made like patties and placed onto the pan. I have taken a lid which is covered with aluminium foil and closing it, and this will be baked until 10 minutes until we see a brown crust at the bottom. After 10 minutes, we are flipping it and seeing if it has cooked well, and as you guys see, this cookies has got the brown crust properly. As we are cooking it in pan, we are also cooking other side of the biscuits so that it's not raw on the other side. And about 5 minutes, our cookies are now done. We are plating it. And yeah, our chocolate chip cookies without oven, maida, sugar, eggs, butter is done. This is the best dish to satisfy your sweet tooth, guys. Trust me on this, you will love this when you prepare it on your own. We have made another batch without chocolate chips in it, and I just wanted to show you the texture once we break the cookie, and look at that, how moist the cookie is. This is how it should be. It tastes amazing with or without chocolate chips. And thank you for watching my video, guys. Like, share and subscribe if you loved my content. Stay tuned, as next episode is going to be Indian Cuisines episode 5 with a new state recipe.